Hello guys, happy to see you. I'm so excited because this is my first video. My name is Alexa and in this channel I would like to show you some useful, helpful tutorials how to create crafting beautiful UI elements. And I will strive to share with you the quickest way how to do the most beautiful elements. So yeah, nice to see you here. Welcome everyone, and I would be so happy if you will support my channel because I'm only starting this way and I need support so much. I will be so grateful for your help. Thank you. Also, if you will have some ideas regarding the new video, you can share them in the comment section. So today I want to show you one very cool element which called glass effect, and I will teach you how to do this in very short way, like by 3 steps. You will do this in 1 minute. So first of all, we have the element. For instance, will be a rectangle. For this rectangle, we must create a white color and add the transparency with 3%. Next step, we will start those 3 steps. The first one, we go into the effects section and we must add the background blur. Background blur with 48% of transparency. Next step, we go into effects again and we must add the inner shadow. Inner shadow, where we will remove this parameter but save the blur parameter with amount of 68 and change the color to the white with the 5% of transparency. And the last step, we go into effects again and change drop shadow to inner shadow again. So in this effect, we will save this parameter with 4 and the blur with 4. We only change the color to the white again and reduce transparency to 15. So yeah, that's all. This is very easy, very fast. You can also add some rounding, probably like 40, 24, and let's check what the effect we have. Ta-da! So yeah, this is really cool effect, will maintain your clarity and will create a beautiful, user-friendly interface for your application or website. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye.